Hey everyone, it's Phil and you're watching Sydney Trains Vlogs. I'm currently at Waterfall. It's nearly midnight. I'm just going to film a couple of trains here. There is a train approaching which should be arriving on platform 2. This train will terminate and it's just in the distance. But while it's approaching, across in the yard here we have some track work machines. We have TJ 108 and BX 62 and a couple more up the track. We have a terminating Tangara now arriving into platform 2. T38 is leading. Not too sure of the rear 4 cars, but the motor cars are 6235 and 6236. Alright, so this is now an empty train. T51's trailing. So what it should do is just go up the track a little bit and cross over and move over to a track over there and head into the yard. Alright, T51 and friend are now coming back and will be stabled in Waterfall Yard. We have another Terminator approaching platform number 2. This train will do exactly the same as T38 and T51 did. It'll stop on the platform, let the passengers off, move up the track a little bit, and then make its way into the yard over there. There'll be a Kiama service about 10 minutes behind this Tangara. T37 leading and stuffed nose trailing. The rear 4 cars are locked off. It's pretty much something that's usually done late at night. T18 trailing. Approaching platform 2, we have a Kiama service. This set is H31. Alrighty folks, I'm going to wrap this vlog up. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and favourite the video. Thank you all for watching and goodbye for now.